Hi guys, welcome to another wonderful video I have for you today. Now this is a video of animals that got stuck in the mud. Okay, so they got stuck in the mud. They do not know how to stand up and move away from the mud. Some animals are still there, they are still stuck in the mud. Not only the horses, we have so many animals here that got stuck. This is a cow, you can see. They all got stuck in this mud. Okay, so I want you to watch this video to the end. Tell me your opinion about this video. And please do well to subscribe and share this video. And also support us. Thank you for watching. See you, bye bye.